Alright guys, we were sent this, asked to do a review on this SAKER multifunction electric spin scrubber. We've been looking at these and we're glad they sent this to us because we like to clean. I need something to help me clean my grill, so it has good attachments for that. And we clean the stove a lot in the house because of our cooking. Just about everything in there, right? And these make it easier. We were using our drill with some crazy stuff on it, and this is perfect for this. So we're gonna get into this. This thing, I've already took them out, but it did come in a nice box. And the box was bent a little bit when I got it, okay? But it has enough protective stuff in there that was protecting the main parts, and I'm gonna show you that. So with all the other stuff, it had the instruction manuals in there, what every part is. But it came with this little styrofoam that was protecting, especially the main tool of it, so it didn't damage anything. That's good. I'm gonna come down here to the table. So as you can see, it come with the main gun. Man, this thing is well built. It feels like it's very waterproof. Good tight seals all around it.
But it's lightweight.
Yeah, it's very lightweight. I like it. It's good balance in the hand. It is a USB chargeable, or unless you have one of those that plugs in, your USB that goes into a plug-in, you can use that. It plugs in. It plugs in right in the end. Camera lady said good. So we'll just move that out of the way. You get a little storage bag, okay, afterwards. So let's talk about these brushes. So, well, the first thing is the gun. It's just called the electric scrub body, and I'll show you how this function works. When we review stuff, we'll tell you if it works like it's supposed to, and then a lot of people already have this product and they don't understand the instructions, and that's what we're here for also, is to help you operate this thing. So the second thing is it's the bottle brush, and then we have the flat brush, and I'll tell you what these are for in just a minute. Then you have this is called a corner brush. Then you have your attachment for your scouring pad, and they call this a sponge. It's good for like really smearing something on or polishing something up. So it's very thick. You get one of those. You get 4 of these because you'll go through these. And then you have a stainless steel brush. And this, again, this is what holds the scratch pads and the sponge brush.
They call that the magic tape?
Yes. Yeah, the magic tape bracket. All right, so before we even started, this was my cooking table I just showed you everything on. So you're gonna see a video of me cleaning this. I didn't know exactly which brush to use. I had we did a pork belly cook, and it got some of the pork belly juices all over it, so it was real sticky and tacky. Man, even though it took me 2 brushes and some cleaning solution, you have to supply your own cleaning solution and rinse it. And I used, I think I used Mr. Green. You can use Fantastic, any type of multi-surface liquid cleaners. So I started off with this flat brush, and it done really well. But that stuff was really thick on there. I said, well, let's see if we can do it just a little bit better. So I sprayed it down again, and I used a scrubber. And let's look at this table. Just take a look at the table. Man, it got this table clean. And some of this is just stuff's falling down off trees, but that's pretty clean for my cooking table. All right, that was our SAKER video. Hope you enjoyed it. I showed you pretty much, we cleaned the table outside, the grill grate, the glass view window on my grill, the sink, kitchen area, the stove. I left a little bit of played music with most of us, as you heard, and then I left a little bit of sound where you could hear it running. If you want to buy this product, I'm going to leave 2 links down in the show more. Just click on it, it'll drop down screen. And you can go get it at their website, and also you can go get it on Amazon. So hope you enjoyed this. Hope it's a lot of information you got out of it. Please subscribe, share, like, give us some comment. Most important, y'all come back. Bye.